Now most art students would freak out if we suggested that they draw something like that because there's so many different angles. But it's actually very, very simple using this device. How we do it is this. It's always good to have your easel set up where you're drawing and you can see the object at the same time. So your piece of paper should be as close to the subject as possible. But this is how we work. By closing one eye, you simply turn the dial around, and the reason why there are different size slots in there is because you might want to use a different size pencil. So let's say if you're using just a fine pencil, small pencil, it goes through this one here. So the angle that I'll try and capture first off is this one here. Let's have a look at that. So close one eye, and the angle that I've got it at is, it's almost 180. So that's pretty easy. So to start off, we put a mark on our piece of paper. So anywhere we can start, there is our line, 180. So we'll go through there. Now, getting all the other angles are pretty tricky. Let's say, how do we find that angle there? Now, traditionally, a person might do this. They'll go put their arm out and they'll rest it on that particular angle and then move over. But what often happens is the arm gets moved. But with this device, when we look through it again, and that arm is going straight down there, is about 28 degrees. 28 degrees, so I've just moved that there. So once I've got my line going straight up and down, yes, it's a matter of working out where it is, but let's just say if it's here, then the angle simply goes off to there. Now what we can do is, we can put this directly onto the surface of that, right, and draw through there, or through this one or that one, whatever. So it's a matter of capturing all those lines. Now the next one that might be tricky, what's this one here? Same process again. We just have this upright, and I do have models of this where it's got a spirit level right here, so it's always straight up and down. And to get that angle there, once again keeping one eye closed, got it, it's just comes down, it's there, goes from there, there, so on. So it's a matter of just keep going back and forth. I'm getting this angle here, keeping one eye closed, moving the device around. In this case I might use this one here. And there we go. So what it does do is it tells us exactly what degree it is. It enables us to draw directly onto it. Now you might be saying, oh, what are all these other things on there? Well, these are if you want to draw some circles. It's got little holes through there. You can simply use this to draw circles. This is to get our 90-degree angle and any straight angles there. These are little lines to help us in a couple of other ways, which is probably too complex to mention just here, and same with the grid. But if you are a natural drawer and if you use the grid system, you understand what all that means. So it's really very simple. This is a quick draw angle grabber. Angle grabber, simply made out of plastic, and you can put this directly onto your surface to draw on, or you can hold it in one hand, do it freehand drawing and just check it with that. So I think that's a pretty nifty little device. So feel free to make your own, or okay, that's crap. Let's get from there. So what are the other things for? Well, there's little holes in here, up through there. They are to help you draw other sort of shapes and have a bit of fun. It lays flat, so this can go directly onto your drawing surface. We have a grid there that you can use if you're one of those people that like to do griddings. And it's got the angles to tell you exactly what angle it is. But this does more than just draw it for drawers. What you can do is you can use this to find the angle of a distant roof over there. So you can go up there, that angle over there is this. This will help you cut almost any shape, identify any sort of angle. So I'm looking at that cupboard over there and I know that that's going off at about 40 degrees. So it's very, very easy to use. So there you go, that's the quick draw angle grabber.